Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So with this video you will get to know about the 11 scholarship opportunities. So for this scholarship opportunities you can apply in the month of October, November and December. So if you are in graduation, post graduation or from class 1st to 12th, so this scholarship opportunity is for all of you guys. Coming to the very first scholarship is SBIF Asha Scholarship Program for school students. So it is an initiative of the SBI Foundation under its Education Vertical Integrated Learning Mission. And the aim of this scholarship program is to provide the financial assistance to meritorious students from the low income families across India. So if we talk about the eligibility for this scholarship, then if you are studying from class 6 till the class 12, then you are eligible. Then you must have scored 75% marks or more than that in your previous academic year, and your family income should not be more than 3 lakhs rupees from all the sources. And if you are the student from India only, then only you are eligible for this scholarship. So with this scholarship you can avail the rupees 10,000 per year, and the documents required for this scholarship are your mark sheet of the previous academic year, your identity proof like Aadhaar card, then your current admission proof, income proof and your photograph. So the selection procedure of this scholarship program involves: first, initial shortlisting of the candidates will be done on the basis of the eligibility criteria. Then the document verification is done. Then your personal interview of the shortlisted candidates will be conducted, and on that basis you can avail this scholarship. So if you are selected for this program, then the overall fund will be transferred in your bank account. The last date of this scholarship is 30th November 2023. So here on Buddy4Study, the process of application is given, so you can apply for this scholarship if you are eligible. Now coming to the second scholarship is JSW Udaan Scholarship for students pursuing undergraduate degree courses. So this is a flagship scholarship program of JSW Foundation, and this scholarship program is designed for helping students residing near the various JSW plant locations who cannot afford quality education due to the high fee structure. So if we talk about the eligibility criteria for this scholarship, then you must have 60% or more marks in your class 10th and 12th examination. So if you are pursuing any of the courses, so here the overall list of the courses is given. So if you are pursuing any of the course, then you are eligible for this scholarship. So this scheme is available for the students whose family income is less than 8 lakh rupees. So with this scholarship you can benefit up to rupees 30,000, and the documents required for this scholarship is the applicant photo, proof of identity, proof of address, proof of income, then your passbook, your 10th and 12th mark sheet, your current year fees receipt, your admission letter and latest college mark sheets. So all this document list is also given on this website. So this scholarship is available on Vidyasarathi website. The link I am sharing in the description box too. You can check over here. The application process is given. So accordingly, if you are eligible, you can apply for this scholarship. The last date of this scholarship is 31st of October 2023. Third scholarship is NSP scholarship. So this scholarship is available in 3 parts. First is free matric scholarship for students, then post matric scholarship for students, then scholarship for top class education for students. So here the link I am sharing in the description box. You can check over here. The overall process of this scholarship is given, and the last date of this scholarship is 31st December. So if you are eligible, you can apply for this scholarship. Fourth is Kotak Kanya scholarship. So this Kotak Kanya scholarship is a collaborative CSR project of Kotak Mahindra Group companies and Kotak Education Foundation to promote education and livelihood among economically disadvantaged sections of the society. So here on Buddy4Study portal you can see this scholarship is available. This scholarship is available for the girl candidates only. So if we talk about the eligibility criteria, then it is open for the girl students across India. Then you must have scored 85% or more marks in your class 12th board examination. Your family income should not be more than 6 lakhs rupees, and meritorious girl students who have secured admission to first year graduation programs in the academic year 2023 from institutes of repute for professional academic pursuits such as professional graduation courses like engineering, MBBS, integrated LLB, and other professional courses like design, architecture are eligible for this scholarship. So with this scholarship, you can benefit up to rupees 1.5 lakhs per year. And the documents required for this scholarship are mark sheet of your previous qualifying examination, income proof of your parents, then ITR of parents, fee structure, bona fide student certificate, then college seat allocation document, college entrance examination scorecard, Aadhaar card, bank passbook, a passport size photograph, disability certificate if applicable, and death certificate of parent for a single or orphan candidates if applicable. The process of application for this scholarship is given on the Buddy4 Study portal. You can check over here and can apply for this scholarship. So the selection process of this scholarship, first the initial shortlisting of the applicants will be based on the academic merit and financial background, and top performing girl students will appear for 2 rounds of interviews, and the final selection and the awarding of the scholarship will be at the discretion of Kotak Education Foundation. The last date of application for this scholarship is 31st October 2023. Fifth scholarship is Vivo for Education Scholarship Program. So this Vivo, a premium global smartphone brand, has partnered with Vidyasarathi to support the education of talented students from underprivileged backgrounds. If we consider the eligibility criteria for this scholarship is, then you must have 80% or more marks in your class 12th examination and in diploma. If you are pursuing any graduation courses, then you are eligible to apply for this scholarship, and your family income should not be more than 5 lakh rupees. So with this scholarship, you can benefit up to rupees 50,000. Documents required for this scholarship are, first is your Aadhaar card, then your proof of identity, proof of address, bank passbook copy, previous class mark sheets, income proof, then current year fee receipt, bona fide certificate from school or college. So here the list of documents is already mentioned on the Vidyasarathi website. The link I am sharing in the description box. The overall process of application is given. So if you are eligible, you can apply for this scholarship. The last date of application for this scholarship is 5th November 2023. Sixth scholarship is Sensodyne IDA Shining Star Scholarship Program 2023-2024. So here on Buddy4 Study portal, you can check the scholarship program is available. The Sensodyne IDA Shining Star Scholarship Program is a CSR initiative launched by Helen India and makers of Sensodyne in partnership with Buddy4 Study and Indian Dental Association. So the eligibility criteria for this scholarship is, it is open for the students pursuing their first year in the Bachelor of Dental Surgery, that is BDS program, from government or government funded colleges. Then you must have scored 60% or more marks in your higher secondary education, and your family income should not be more than 8 lakhs rupees. This scholarship is available for the students across India only. The documents required for this scholarship are, first your mark sheet of the previous class semester, then your identity proof, your current year admission proof, your family income proof, and your bank account details, and your photograph of the applicant. So the process of application for the scholarship is given on the Buddy4 Study portal. You can check over here. So if we consider the selection process for this scholarship, then initially shortlisting of applicants will be based on their academic merit and annual family income provided during the application process. Then document verification of the shortlisted candidates is done. Evaluation of shortlisted candidates via telephonic interview by IDA and Buddy4 Study is taken, and then final list of selected candidates will be prepared by Buddy4 Study and IDA. If we talk about the benefit for this scholarship, then each shortlisted Sensodyne IDA Shining Star Scholar will receive 1,05,000 per year for 4 years of BDS course to support their academic and living expenses incurred, subject to the condition that the selected scholar will maintain a 60% score in each semester. The scholar shall receive an overall amount of 4,20,000 rupees, and the last date of application for this scholarship is 31st October 2023. Next scholarship is NSDL Shiksha Sahyog Scholarship Scheme for students pursuing full-time 2 years PG course. So this NSDL Shiksha Sahyog is a scholarship program of National Securities Depository Limited, and this scholarship program is designed for helping students who cannot afford quality education due to the high fee structure. The eligibility criteria for this scholarship is you must have 60% marks in your 12th, diploma or in your graduation. Then if you are pursuing the post graduation courses like MSc, MA, MCom, then you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. And the third condition is your family income should not be more than 3 lakh rupees. So with this scholarship you can benefit up to rupees 12,000 rupees, and the documents required are proof of identity, 10th, 12th graduation mark sheet and your previous year mark sheet, income certificate, student bank passbook, college fees receipt, bona fide from the institute. So all the documents are given over here on the Vidyasarathy website. The link I am sharing in the description box too. You can check over here. Next scholarship is Swami Dayananda scholarship. So it is available for the engineering students. I have already made the one video on Swami Dayananda scholarship. So you can check that video if you want more information about this. Next scholarship is Tata Capital Fund scholarship. So if you are in graduation, 11th, 12th or in the diploma, then you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. So on this scholarship also I have made the separate video. The link I am sharing in the description box too. You can check with that video. Next scholarship is HDFC Bank Parivartan's ECSS program, second edition. So if you are in post graduation, graduation or studying from the class 7th to 12th, or you are pursuing the ITI or diploma courses, then you are eligible for this scholarship. For HDFC Bank Parivartan CCSS program, I have already made the separate video. You can check with that for more details. So these are the 11 scholarships. If you are eligible, do apply for this scholarship. Or if you know someone कि जो ये scholarship के लिए eligible है, so you can just share the video with them. If you have any questions related to this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.